so we get dark a different thing. No, we got the bad guys.
We no care who vex, we no care who vex. Youngster to nail them no fake you text. We no care who vex, we no care who.
Remember say me no cap. I wanna hear me come talk things. Just know say the real thing me talk. Ever tell you say don't afraid to do that song there.
You look like I know to you. Don't fuck yourself with me. Yo.
Anger, rate management. Warlord assess the damage.
Alright, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Remember, if for your first time I check out Jam TV, we just ask for you subscribe to the channel, people. Please and thanks. Alright. In this episode, we have Mavado performance over there in New York. The Gully God the Sands and burn it off, people. Wicked piece of performance. You me tell you, a be a badness the God did on stage. The flames them are blaze. So we check it out and see how them did it the real way. Also, we have Neako for your father to say, yo, Alkaline and go shoot off a Masicka after new rules. We don't know how true that be. Neako for say the inside scoop. So we are going to hear the reason as to why I did that, isn't me? Also, you must say, yo, Vybz Kartel, I take theme advice as to which song for DJ on stage. Again, we don't know how true that be, but we are going to hear the reason because be things Neako for your talking to people. So we are going to check it out. We have a baby father as well, catching baby mother on a pop the balloon challenge. Yo, it never go good. We are going to check out that clip there and see what go on as well. Also, we have Bounty Killer preparing for him performance in a New York at the Barclays in people. July the 5th. Remember, if you're in the New York area, July the 5th, you have to go circle general show. You hear me tell you? So we'll check out the rehearsal and see how you deal with it. Yeah, man. But first, we'll kick it off with the Gully God performance over there in New York.
Must be dreaming. That's what that bomb buckler. Walk to them on the dark straight way. Every youngster, you can't tell us something. Get your own normal. That's it. This thing that we go, I feel someone else. So we get dark a different thing. No, we got the bad guys. My war is like no. You hear the boys scream and say, oh, you don't think I'm never will know, but you let one down with let go. When the North Side the real street represent, but no. Stop. Sands, you know we just a pass through. We just want to dig up the gangster then. You know Bounty Killer show a weekend. Where's the man proper? That's it. Right, yo, drop something you want me to yo. What you have? Let's say them about this bump now. Brand new! Badness! Man, you know the badness. I know! I'm a friend from Jamaica then. Badness. When I say no pussy, no way in the world, no
Yeah, people, so that at the Gully God performance over there in New York, you know, at the Sands Festival. Make me know anything now, underrated. You see the G step out to the white towel, well, mother mean. You even tell you want to see God step out to that towel, you know, say alone flames, you know. Yeah, man, the general burn it off one night time. You me tell you, be a bad tune a drop, be a wicked man song. You me tell you, see Father and God that get on stage. You see him all drop the big guns one night time. Yeah, man, cause you know the big guns drop recently and it a cause a upstern space. Cause people are say, yo, that tune there, go for the vendetta camp, you know. We don't know how true it be, if I feel them tune that or what, but me I tell you, me no feel the vendetta can manage a flame there right now. Me no feel it wise to tangle with that gully flame there, cause that flame that burn hot, you me tell you. You know the Gully God got to work, you know, beat and teach settings that, you know. So it be that be wise for them just avoid that right now. I get a year or two before them try even hint towards a response. You me tell you, cause people don't have it say, yo, them a follow cartel already, you know. So them doing that to try war the Gully God, people are gonna have it against you, yo, him was a follow. You see me? So yo, them have to know how them are gonna respond to that or how them are do that. You see me? Yeah, man. But now we check out Bounty Killer rehearsal people.
After 15 years to be barred from my fans, and then to be returning in the park.
Anger, rate, management. Warlord assess the damage made.
So my first hit song was the cause of New York.
Gladiator, that's it, run up with them fast acre. We came for the paper, that's all. Skyscraper and a lot of hater. Let them know, a lion.
Yeah, you follow the mix, but you want to keep it.
Oh, I want to keep, alright.
Yeah, stages, man. I want the exact record mix.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Straight into the mix, everybody, for me. Hold on! This we come first, cause this can't stand up to slinting. Momentum, and then at the perfect place, and this is first the sand bus. So if I come there in 15 years, and cool no man, and be say Richie, this is how the show starts. Good, let's go.
Well then, we murder all 100 ones part. Wicked that KG men pop out, glad you a fool. Over there so all a talk and shot, that's why you're dead. On the ground your head drop, look there. Them all a prepare your funeral box. Copper shot.
So you see, say Killer make sure say every T that every I cross. Yeah, man, I are the one. Yeah, me tell you everything have a connect. But really, I truly people, the general make sure say yo, the sound right, everything are mixed down proper, and the whole performance is on point. You see me, I did a big return this to the New York area. You don't know Killer outside New York for much years. Yeah, me tell you losing visa even before. Not for the artists them. Yeah, me tell you, I was one of the first artists I'm losing visa back them and them time there. So it's a good look right now for Killer can touch back in the New York and deliver a wonderful set for the people them, because you don't know a whole heap of years that the people them long for see me. Yeah, me tell you, Bart from his fans from 15 years ago. You know much years that people. So Killer right now, I put everything into this performance. Yeah, me tell you everything, I make sure say yo, it depend point people. Yeah, man. So if you're in the New York era on the 5th of July, you don't know, make sure you have to there the general show, you know. You have to there, yeah, man, and see what I'm going, cause epic performance I deliver. Let me tell you, Mavado book feed, Idonia book feed, Masicka book feed. You know the line up there with Bounty Killer and 4 giant Latino people. So yo, oh you gonna miss that? Make sure you're there, you know. Here me tell you a wicked thing I go on that place, man. The Barclays roof off, we go lift off and then put on back, you know. Yeah, man, so make sure you check it. So now I check out Neako for a reason, you know, people. You must say, yo, Alka go shoot off a Masicka, you know. And rightfully so, you see me? If that be the case, because you don't know, Alkaline need a rivalry there for cement himself as the full legend in a dancehall as he want to be. You see me, I did? Yeah, man, they need a solid piece of rivalry. They need somebody who can go par for par.
Me no rate Alkaline still.
Crux them, you know, you say, I have to know him, I did, you see it? Yeah, man, so I check out the reason from Neako for you, and yeah, man, go on with.
So I said yesterday, you know, say big guns video I got drop. And talk about cyber truck and I go to rifle unite. Big guns video out now. And everything I say, it unite. So when I hear my company internet, me no cap. Remember say me no cap. I want to hear me come talk things, just know say the real thing me talk. And a matter of fact too. The song I tell you say my ear, we're getting an email from Alkaline. The reason why they drop the song, we get to understand. from my source is because my company internet come talk about it and everybody run with the vlogger them and them something there. So them decide to hold back the song. But me look inside link tell me say them plan to drop the song after new rules. Them never give me an exact time, but them tell me say them plan to drop the song. The same song me tell me say me hear and him never drop the song there. I remember say me come tell Alkaline say I have to come do an interview in Jamaica before new rules. Because he need to turn up with new rules. And so them put out the date. So, and the big gun song, what Mavado do, it's not a this song for Alkaline. So, all who have the narrative there, we don't talk from yesterday, say nothing no go so. I also get in my email. I get one bad song from Climax in my email. Bad song. Masicka, I call you out now. Masicka, your baby mother. Climax. I get a song from her in my email and I envious. And from play the song, I say I have to run with that song there. You need to give her a stretch. A bad artist long time. Give her a collab. Masicka, give Climax a collab. Because you see song where she don't need envious. When I get in my email, I can't stop playing the song. Yeah man, bad song. And a little birdie from over the said Alkaline source tell me say them have a song to shoot off a Masicka. It's a direct hit. With direct name I call. But I'm not finalized for that yet. But one of the things I tell, I'm not going to live to see everything, man. Open to live to see, I'm not going to live to see everything. And I'm acting, I'm not talking about internet. Yeah man, I'm not talking about internet.
So that are the reason a Neako fire the same people. He must say him no cap. Anything in forward online and say, I saw it go, or if it not go so, it near. So you see me? It's like Neako fire is an unofficial spokesperson right now for all camp, because it look like every camp are linked right now with all details and all information I forgot. I got through him. I don't know how him get the link there or what, but you don't know how them man they got to work, you see me? Neako fire also say, yo, Vybz Kartel, the teacher, the world boss. I listen to him as to which song him for perform on stage. Well, we don't know how through the part that be enough people, because you don't know Vybz Kartel the TikTok from nobody, you see me? So we don't know how Neako fire happy to say, yo, him as a normal selector, Vybz Kartel take talk from him or take advice. It could be so, we don't know how cheap be, but we kind of doubt that, you see me? Yeah, Kartel do what he want to do. If he want to sing any song he want to sing, he man go sing that, you see me? I him write it, I him DJ it, I him curate it. So I feel him catalog, he can sing anything out of the catalog where he want to sing, you see me?
Teacher, when you come out and you do your show, they may ever tell you say don't afraid to do that song there. Swear to job, we never fuck party from we born. Yeah. So that's one song they need to do. They might get too bright. So we born Batman and Saddamite. But you take time I come back, man. You come back. Fully Gaza, you know. Even though I resign from being a Gaza selector, but I feel good for no say never afraid to perform that song there. Yeah man, yeah, listen to me man. Good job. Yeah, listen. Teacher.
Alright, so that's the viewpoint of Neako fire the same family. Remember know what you think in the comment section. You feel Neako fire character, you must say, yo, Alkaline, I go shoot off a Masicka, or you feel him just a cap again. And also, I want to know what you think if you feel people from the camp them, I listen to Neako fire and I execute what I must say. I'm just a think too highly of himself. But I know what you think in the comment section. So now we check out the video we talked about earlier with the baby father catching baby mother and a pop the balloon challenge. Yo, a big drama, you know. Check it out and let me know what you think.
Yo, what? Yo, what going? Watch out. Easy. You know what, yo? Are you me at time? Come here, sir. Come.
What go on, G? What go on? What go on?
Me look like condom to you? Stopping attacking me. Me look like condom to you? Don't fuck yourself with me. Yo.
What go on? What? G,
Come here. Come here.
What go on? What is fun?
No, where really are you?
Yeah, no star. Oh, she can do the G that. Oh, she do kill the pro that star. You can see same did the one with the youth. One night time I put in a chiffon. When my will meds and check the levels, him find out say yo, I know work she does and beside for just pop up on her and see what really are going. When him check the levels, I pop the balloon challenge there, look at interest for try move on with our life. I don't know what the status on them relationship or whatnot, but it look away, as I mean, look kind of embarrassing. So them have to go fix things and fall to overs and just know say yo, I saw a thing and go, you see me, and them can just move on from that, you know. Yeah, so now we check out an accident we say I'm on the Mandela Highway there today, like a vehicle overturned one night time, you know, people. We'll check it out and see what really are going. The article is from the Jamaica Gleaner, you know. So the excerpt reads, the police are investigating a vehicular crash along the Mandela Highway in the vicinity of Hydel High School in St. Catherine. The Gleaner understands that a public passenger bus overturned. Our news team gathered that the bus plies the Spanish Town St. Catherine to downtown Kingston route. So you know one of the viable route them that on the Spain Town no people. On the Mandela they say it actually overturned, and I don't know how it really happened, if a speeding caused it or if another vehicle bounce it or what really caused the crash, but they might investigate right now for see where really going, you know, and hopefully nobody never get injured or lose them life in the RD, because you don't know what if a vehicle crash occur since the start of the year and a couple people will lose them life already, you know, and it's sad, you see me. So we have to be careful when we are take on the road, yeah man, because you know the Mandela Highway alone speeding, and sometimes you have some sick drive out there, so you have to know how you take on the road, you know, people. Yeah man. So if you make it through to the end of the vlog, just want to big you up and tell you thanks for watch the entire episode, and remember to subscribe to the channel, people. Yeah man, we just ask for you subscribe. We really need a subscription there, you know. Yeah man, give thanks again and catch you in our next episode. Mad.